Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 5.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 3.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global shares slid under pressure from investor concern about surging inflation and slowing growth. Major retailers like Target and Walmart have warned about the impact of rising prices on their customers. A limited number of American users of crypto exchange FTX.US were allowed to use a stock trading service. The exchange plans to open up the service to all US users in a few months' time. The euro rose on as investors priced in the chance of an aggressive near-term tightening path by the European Central Bank, while the safe haven dollar took a breather after significant gains in the previous sessions.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.